Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Backpacktrader training room for Tuesday, April the 23rd, 2024. Please note the required risk disclosure. This room is for educational and information purposes only. It's not to be considered individual financial advice. Trading of this type carries substantial risks and should only be attempted with funds you can afford to do without. All right, that's all for our disclosures today. All right, crude oil is a bit of a problematic session this morning. Get in sync with long and stop and reverse to short. Target one win and a small trailer, but that should get you positive. So that's going to be a two and done session. If that doesn't get you positive, you get another target one on the next trade that certainly does. So a marginally positive session this morning. The YM has a get in sync coming up, 584 for the entry. Soybeans is flat at the moment, just stopping out of an early trade. Unleaded. Target two traders get in sync with the long trade. Then take a short on stop and reverse. That's going to be a 32 tick risk on the stop and reverse, 64 tick loss. Second stop and reverse is going to be a 12 tick risk, 24 tick loss. So we're at 88 ticks down. Target two picks up 46, so we're down 42, and we pick up a few ticks, 301 to 307, 6 ticks. So that puts us down 36. And off for target two. Target one is obviously in worse shape. Trigger in the short. Stop and reverse to long. That takes a full stop out. So we're 5 trades in now, and we're definitely going to be negative. The 6th trade gives us a 53 tick target two. And looks like just a bit more than that for the trailer. So that's going to be our 6th trade, ending the session. Looks to me like it's going to be, without actually running the numbers, we're going to be just slightly negative. Maybe not, maybe a little bit more than just slightly, but going to be a negative session on unleaded. Please do say hello in the chat. Nice to know who I'm talking to. Market is open. YM That's a get in sync and then stop and reverse. $577 for the entry. Stop is at 12. I'd probably push that to 13 with the session high at 11. And as I said, I'll make that 13. Good morning, Albert. Good morning, Avi. All right, target 1 on the YM, trailing at 572. Soybeans picking up a long, quite long trade. It's target 1 money management and stops out for a single tick on the trailer. So that's a quick one and done, small trade. Not a lot going on there. Short on the micro Russell. I need to bring the micro NQ up. And that's it right there. And that's a short on the micro NQ. So soybeans with a quick one and done. YM at 556. This looks like it's going to be, yeah, the stop and reverse wasn't very big loss. So this is going to be a power quitting. Micro Russell with a loss. This will be power quitting on the YM. Pound Aussie in a short. It's going sideways at the moment. So I think that should be 194. Where that ought to be. It's going to be right there. Let's see if we can fix that. Long trade on the Micro Russell. Let's take care of that. And the Micro Russell triggers in. YM stopped out at 546. That'll be that will end the session. Power quitting on 2 trades. This is a larger than normal trade. Target 2, 3.5, so that we will pull the targets in to target 2 and 3. Starting to trail 84.8. And that should bring us to break even at 85.7. So soybeans, the YM, crude, and unleaded are all done. So we have Micro Russell, Micro NQ, Micro Russell at 85.9 on the trailer. Trying to push up to target 2, and I believe he just got there. Yep. Target 2 win, 3.5 points, 3.5. 86.4 for the trailer. Next objective is target 3. Avi, you had a question the last time I saw you in that I don't think I got to. Do you remember what that was? And 87.4 for the Micro Russell trailer. Micro NQ stopping out for a full loss on trade number 1, now transitioning to a long. This is a slightly larger than normal trade. Not big enough to bring the targets back to target 1 in this case. So we'll keep our actionable targets at 2, 3, and 4. And the Micro Russell hitting target 3, 87.9 for the trailer. Money management on the Micro NQ. 452 flat for the stop. Pound Aussie trying to work down through the 50 and 200. Almost right on top of each other. Let's see if that. All right. Thank you, Avi. I don't want to miss questions, and I hadn't seen you since then, so I had forgotten what it was. And a break-even stop out on Micro NQ. Short trade setup. Missed it by a tick, it appears. Did it? It's the entry at 448 3/4. Yeah, we got 449 flat. So missing the entry by a tick. No movement on the Micro Russell. Quick, bang, bang, bang this morning. 15 minutes and we got 4 charts down. Ouch. Loss number 2 on the Micro NQ. And things are bouncing up. 93.9. And stopping out on Micro Russell at 93.9. That was too quick to enter. We'll be looking for a pullback on this long trade on the Micro NQ. Yeah, the fills on heating oil, it's a bit thinly traded, so you definitely want to. And the TA will not use, unfortunately, stop limit orders, which that's what I would use if I were trading it. Would be a stop limit order for entries. So that's probably going to be one you're going to have to do some manual testing on. All right, micro NQ target to win 496 and a quarter. We are trailing very slightly larger than normal trade, 499 flat. Another long trade on the micro Russell. It's already gotten to target 2. So let's see, we did it, and that was a break even. Pulled back right to our break even point. So we take a loss, a win, and a break even. Third trade, we got up to 3 more. Two losses or 3 trades, whichever comes first, is what's left in the session, because we can take 3 more wins. So. Micro NQ, 2 losses and a break even, and a target 2 wins so far. 4 trades. And micro NQ stopping out at 499 flat. And we did get target 1 on our pound Aussie trades. Trailer at 187, and that will be power quitting if we hit it. When the trade completes, it'll be power quitting. First trade win. Still going to get some slippage on your targets. And that unfortunately can't really be avoided. But you can limit the slippage on the entries a little bit with stop limit orders. We do have the 10 a.m. crude mini session coming up in about a little over 10 minutes. Potential long trade on crude. That'll have to hang around for a while. And 10 ticks to target 1. And market's slowing down now. It's Busy morning to start with, but now it's getting kind of slow. Short on the micro NQ. Another marginally larger trade, a very small wick on the setup bar. Catapult being a single bar setup. And Pound Aussie did stop out. That one is done. So we have our two catapult charts and our 10 a.m. crude mini session coming up. One win, two losses, and a break even on the micro NQ. A win, a loss, and a break even on the micro Russell. 3 trades available in the micro Russell, possibly two or three trades, 2 losses or 3 trades, whichever comes first on the micro NQ. 1 loss or 2 trades on the, I'm sorry, 1 loss or 2 trades on the micro NQ. Just got to money management. Target 2 or target 1, 490 and a half for the stop. And rapidly pushing down to target 2, looks like. I think we got it. Yeah, target 2. So that is 2 wins. 2 wins, 2 losses, and a break even. 1 trade remaining. Looking for target 3. I'd like to see us get target 3 to get positive here. Still a little over 5 minutes to our crude session, mini session. That trade has triggered in, and it looks like it's going to, yep, it hit target, it hit money management. So that one is off the table. Micro NQ stop still at 490 and a half. Long trade now. Stop and reverse. So we'll take a little bit of positive on the end. There's money management already. Since we're positive there, we'll take the trade as it plots. We are at money management 17,485 flat. No additional trade on the micro Russell. Next objective is target 2 on our micro NQ trade. Final trade of the day. Target 2 will definitely get us positive. And there it is, target 2 achieved. That's going to be a positive session. And that is the final trade of the day, however, whatever happens. And now looking for target 3. There it is. So we'll push for target 4. New session high on micro NQ. Micro Russell just continuing to set session highs. YM also setting a new session high. Less than 2 minutes to our crude mini session. We'll be looking for a new trade there. And stopping out at micro NQ, finishing its final trade, 506 flat for the trailer. $21.25 points on the trailer. So 3 trades available, two losses or 3 trades maximum on the micro Russell. Crude pushing higher. Less than a minute away. 35 seconds. Micro NQ is complete. Got our 6 trades, 3 of them wins, 2 losses, and a break even. Positive session. And we're in our crude mini session trade window. We're looking for a new setup. Current trade crude is in was too early to be a part of this trade plan. And was not potential get in sync because it went too far. Soybeans, by the way, did transition to the July contract. Volume is on July. And Micro Russell back over 2,000 again. We've gotten up around 2,100, I think. Pull back into 1900s. Now getting back above 2,000 again. We'll see if it can stay there. Okay. Avi, you're looking at Catapult Extreme on heating oil. I don't think I have any. There may be some suggestions on the owner site, but I know I don't have a Catapult heating oil chart. At least I don't think I have a Catapult chart on that. I think what I have is Spotlight. No, that's a Catapult. Yeah, there is a Catapult. You go back and look on the energy Catapult energy module. There are some trade plans there. I do have an example chart underneath there. Micro Russell pushing higher, but no trades. Didn't quite get a crossover to set up a new long trade on the Micro Russell. Cat lines came together, but they didn't get a cross below and then back above. So crude and Micro Russell, the only things left this morning. 35 minutes. Actually, if you start trading at 9, an hour and 5 minutes. With the 8:30 start on the pound Aussie. And here we are, almost 10 minutes after 10. We're down to theirs. The first trade of the morning is a short on crude at 81.99. And there's the entry. Crude is short. Yeah, that's what that was. What that one of those. That's one of those that was on the website that I'm using on the chart that I've got behind Micro Russell. All right, we are short on the micro, not on the micro, but on crude. Still no more trades on the Micro Russell. It's definitely slowed down about 5 or 10 minutes before 10 o'clock. Still not much of anything. Still short on crude. Taking some heat, and that moving average is spreading apart. That looks like a pullback into the 20. Doesn't look like a good. And too far from either the 20 or the 50 to get a trade. Of course, our latest reading is an overbought. So the short trade that we're in is although it looks like it's kind of running out of steam, so we may see it test the highs and come back down. All right, things look like they're pretty well slowed down, and we only have 2 charts remaining. Micro Russell seems to be just in a upward push, not giving us any trades. Crude mini session, well, coming back down toward the entry. Watching paint dry. All right, looks like, you know, the calculator's still tracking. But according to the data, we did hit 21. Chances are you got knocked out of that with an order in at 82.21. Bid got there, so very likely that he asked for a buy. Would have executed. Just hanging around. All right, folks. And not much to watch, and I'm going to need to call in the morning. And see everybody tomorrow. 9:30 regular session. 10:30 crude oil inventory report tomorrow. Everyone have a good one. See you tomorrow.